So now I'm starting out with this decimal number, 177,130 base 10, and I want to convert it to hexadecimal. So again, you would start out by doing the division. 16 into 177,130. 16 goes into 17 once, goes into 17 once, goes into 11 0 times, goes into 113 7 times, I think. 7 times 6 is 2, carry the 4, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, yeah. So then it'll go into 10 0 times with a remainder of 10. Now I'm not going to do all the long divisions this time, but you'll have to carry them out every time to get your quotients and your remainders. So what we're going to get is this. If you do all the long divisions over and over and over, you'll get that 177,130 is equal to 11070 times 16 plus that remainder down there. The remainder was 10. Then if you divide 16 into your new quotient, you'll get that 11070 is equal to 691 times 16 plus 14. If you do the division again, 16 into 691 will give you that 691 is equal to 43 times 16 plus 3. And then 43 will be equal to 2 times 16 plus 11, and then 2 is equal to 0 times 16 plus 2, and you know that you're done because you have a 0 quotient right there. All right, now to get the hexadecimal expansion, again we look at these remainders, reading from the bottom up. We'll get that 177,130 base 10 is equal to, bottom up, a 2, all right, 11. Remember how your digits work in hexadecimal. 11 is going to be B, 3, 14. 14 is the digit E, a 10. 10 is the digit A, and we're done. So base 16. So there's the answer. 177,130 base 10 is equal to 2B, 3EA, base 16. Then we have one more example with binary. All right, so convert the number 241 base 10 into binary. Now binary ones are easy because you're just dividing 2 into numbers, but there can be lots of divisions involved because you're just dividing 2 into numbers. So starting out, we'll do 2 into 241. It goes into 2 one time, goes into 4 two times, goes into 1 0 times, and then there's a remainder of 1. I'm not going to go through all the steps. I'll do the first couple steps. So the first one will give us that 241 is equal to 120 times 2 plus 1. So if I wanted to do this with long division again, I could do 2 into 120. It goes 60 times with no remainder. So 120 is equal to 60 times 2 plus 0. Again, I don't stop. I only stop when I get a 0 quotient, not a 0 remainder. But you don't have to do this. You can do division by 2 in your head. 60 is equal to 30 times 2 with no remainder. 30 is equal to 15 times 2 with no remainder. 15 is equal to 7 times 2 with 1 remainder. 7 is equal to 3 times 2 with 1 remainder. 3 is equal to 1 times 2 with 1 remainder. And 1 is equal to 0 times 2 with 1 remainder. Got a 0 quotient, that means I'm done. So the final answer would be 241 base 10 is equal to, so reading the remainders from the bottom up would be 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1 base 2. And that's all there is to it. When you are converting from octal, binary, hexadecimal into decimal, you just expand it out with powers. If you are converting from decimal to one of the others, then you do the long division thing.